2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 9,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, hill start assist, electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.